Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finals are finally over, and as you can see, I have final stress. Like, this is not okay. I literally broke out everywhere just trying to finish everything. So today I want to take a day for self-care because I have just been so stressed, and it just really shows on my skin. So the first thing we're going to be doing today is doing skincare. So let's go with that. I'm going to be using these Cosrx pimple patches, and these are literally such a lifesaver when you have an acne or a pimple. Like, they will actually save your face. So I'm just gonna go apply one on my cheek. Okay, I'm trying really hard not to pop them. This is the pimple patch and it's clear, so it really hides it pretty well actually. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare. So this is from Urban Outfitters. This is the Hydrate Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin B5. This was actually from my sister, so she just decided to leave this, so I am currently using it at the moment. So I'm usually wearing my Fitbit on my wrist, but right now I'm currently not because I'm actually going to be applying skincare on my body as well, because body care is really important. So I will be using the Enough Project All-in-One Essence and the Enough Project Essence Essential Skin on my body. I just want to show you guys really quick. I'm not going to talk too much about these because I will be doing a future video, but in the meantime I will be applying this on my body. I'm using the essential skin right on top after that, and I'm just going to be patting this in. So for my actual face, I'm going to be using the Dongyingbi single essence right here, and this has 100% ginseng extract, so great antioxidants for your skin. Once again, I'll be talking about this in a future video, and recently I've been using this for the past, I think, week and a half now, and it's been so good to my skin. It just feels so much more plump because of this, and it just sinks right into the skin. And then using the Cosrx Galactimus 95 toning essence. This is literally one of my favorite products ever. It's so simple and so effective. It's definitely a product that once you stop using it, you'll start to notice what it was doing to your skin. But for sure, this one does give you an overall brightness, and you'll really see the difference after, I think, 2 or 3 months. I would say it's definitely, you have to use this for it consistently. So I'm going to be using the Dongyingbi Red Ginseng Balancing Emulsion right here, and this is a little bit thicker formula, which is nice, and it does have this medicinal like ginseng scent to it, which I don't mind. But if you guys are sensitive to scents, maybe that is something you guys do have to look out for. But so far it's been really good on my skin. So I'm gonna be finishing this off with moisturizer and sunscreen. Okay, so I'm actually been taking this off because I don't like to leave my hair in this hair towel, the Aqueous hair towel, for about maybe like 10-15 minutes just to suck up most of the water, and then I like to air dry it as much as I can. And then recently I've been getting back into blow drying my hair, so I might just do that today. But in the meantime, I will be getting ready because I think just taking the time to appreciate getting ready for yourself is nice to do. So I'm just gonna be doing a very minimal makeup look, especially because I have this acne going on, so we'll just go ahead with that. Okay, so I moved you guys in a little bit closer, but I'm gonna be using the Glossier Stretch Concealer in G7 just to cover up a little bit of my acne, like right here, because it's so dark. And I'm going to be applying this right underneath my eyes just to help brighten up that area. I'm using the Ems Cosmetic Heaven's Glow in Faded Clementine, and I'm going to use this more as a bronzer almost, because usually for my blush I do like to apply it right at the apples on my cheeks, but because this pimple is literally right here on the apples of my cheeks, I'm going to be applying this more as a bronzer, so it will kind of be both. And then I'm just going to be using the Glossier Boar Brow just to help put some eyebrows on my face. So I'm gonna be using the Faded Clementine, the lip cushion, for my lips, and I have been liking this so much. If you guys have not seen my review, I'll leave it in the description, but this is literally my new favorite go-to. It's just so nice just to put a quick color on your lips. Okay, I feel like my eyes look too boring, so I'm actually just gonna be using the Faded Clementine blush and just using this a little bit in my eyelids to help pull a more monochromatic look, and just to give them a little bit of color. Now that my face is actually done, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair with the Revlon brown brush. So I'm gonna be doing that really quick, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I just blow dried my hair, and like, look how voluminous this looks. Like, please, I have to appreciate these little things, because like, I never blow dry my hair because just heat damage. I recently gotten back into blow dry my hair, and it's just so pretty and voluminous. Like, it's just the prettiest thing, and just the little inward curl, like, it's just the little things that matters. Okay, so next up I want to talk about Mapiful. They did send this to me, however this is not sponsored, so I wanted to test them out. And what's really cool about Mapiful is that you can choose maps on a poster, or you can choose your horoscopes, a time and date of like your birth and by chance, or you can even upload your own picture and edit the text. So it's just a really nice cool feature to have, which I will be showing you guys. And so for me, this one, I actually decided to do my birth month because being a Aquarius just means a lot to me. I'm not a huge horoscope like fanatic or anything of the sorts, but I'm really excited to do this. And it was really fun to try their methods out. So they are really high quality posters, and this one was, I think, the biggest size. But this one I actually forgot to include the hanger because you can choose to buy a hanger or a frame for it, but that was totally my own fault. So that's actually kind of funny. I'm gonna be opening this up. So they have some tape right here, and I believe I chose the biggest size, and because of that I forgot to actually get the hanger as well. So totally my own fault. So I'm gonna be opening this up. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, it is big. Okay, whoa. Oh my god, this is huge. Okay, oh my god, I was not expecting it to be this big. I am so... Okay, I'm kind of astounded. I was expecting a smaller size. I chose the wrong size. This is the one that I chose though. I decided to get my Aquarius sign. It's so hard to see. And at the end, the bottom is where you see the Aquarius sign. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's so shiny and high quality for this poster. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is really reflective as well. Even though the poster is like humongous, I was not expecting it to be that big, if I'm gonna be completely honest, but I think it kind of works out in the end because I was planning on moving my posters to a different room. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. I actually don't have any command strips for the back, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this basic tape. So I put them on all 4 sides, but I don't know if this will be okay. So this is a full overview of how it looks, and it is this pretty blush shade which matches my whole like theme going on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hang this up. So this is what it currently looks like with everything going on. It looks so nice and it fits with the sides of everything. You will get proper command backings for it, but in the meantime the tape is doing an okay job, relatively okay, but it's so pretty. So let's go and see it up close. So this is the overview of the poster. So right here there are little speckles, which is absolutely beautiful, and then the sign, and then this is the Aquarius, the amethyst that I chose because that's the birthstone for it. Progressive, imaginative, independent, and then my birth date, which is February 10th, 1997, and it's just so pretty. And what I like the most about this poster actually is the back. It's not made out of paper, and it's made out of this glossy material, so it's not going to like rip off your poster, which is the #1 most annoying thing honestly about posters. So that was it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this just self-care kind of day. It was just me chilling and just reflecting. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.